But some of us right now are seeing clouds like over downtown Cleveland via our CSU cam, but you can see a little bit of the white stuff there on some of the roofs of some of the buildings. And you know what? We also still have some light flurries that are falling for you Eastsiders over in Chardon, as well as Chester and Middlefield. And to the south we go over in Stowe as well as Ravenna. We are also seeing some light flurries fall along there. Now, part of the reason why we're having this setup is because it's lake effect snow. Look at where that wind is coming from. It's coming from the north. We got 24 miles per hour. Those are sustained winds right now. Also 18 over in Worcester. So let's go hour by hour and show you what to expect. Now, some of those snow flurries will be ending, but look at what happens behind then. We're talking about temperatures only in the middle 20s for later on this afternoon and into tonight. Tomorrow, many of you are going to be waking up to temperatures in the middle 20s, and we will start to see some increase in cloud cover. But here's the good news. We will see temperatures improving tomorrow to the middle 40s. Then we got some rain showers to talk about. On Friday, we are expecting a system to start to move across our region. We are going to get some pretty heavy rain showers with this. It's going to continue into Saturday, and the models right now are going back and forth about whether or not this is going to be a mostly rain event or mostly snow event. The only thing I can guarantee you with this event is we are going to get some precipitation, and we might even see some thunder showers as well with this system. All right, here's a look right now at your Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. So we're talking about a high today, only in the middle 30s, upper 40s for tomorrow. And then look what happens by this weekend. We're talking about a high of 62 degrees. But again, that's going to be accompanied with some rain showers as well. And it will be pretty gusty. We could see some winds gusting up to 20 to 30 miles per hour, 40 degrees for Sunday. And then we improve to 50 once again by Tuesday. Holly?
Okay, Jason, thank you.